Imagine walking into your living room and sitting on your couch. You don't reach for a remote. You don't struggle with a clunky menu. You just start talking to your TV. But this isn't the frustrating voice control you're used to. This is a real, flowing conversation. You ask for that one movie where the guy travels through time, but you can't remember the title. Your TV knows exactly what you mean. You tell it to dim the lights, order a pizza, and boot up a high-end console game. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the future of the Apple TV 4K. For years, it felt like Apple forgot about the living room. It has been over 3 years since the last update. In the tech world, 3 years is an eternity. Right now, the Apple TV is the oldest active product in Apple's lineup without a refresh. But the silence is about to end. Apple has been hiding a massive secret, and it's finally ready to be revealed. The current Apple TV 4K arrived in 2022. It uses the A15 chip. To be honest, that brain is nearly 4 years old. It's the same chip that powered the iPhone 13, while the rest of the world is moving toward the A19 Pro and powerful M-series MacBooks. The Apple TV has been left in the dust. It's not a bad device, but it feels stuck in the past. Users have been begging for innovation. They want a device that matches the power of a modern smartphone. So, why the long wait? The answer is simple: Apple Intelligence. Apple didn't want to just release a slightly faster box. That's boring. They were waiting for their artificial intelligence leap to be ready. They needed to figure out how AI would live in your home. Now, they are ready. The upcoming Apple TV 4K could be the first device built from the ground up for Apple Intelligence. The TV is the heart of the home. It is the perfect place for a smart assistant to live. With Apple Intelligence, Siri will be light years ahead. You won't just search for movies. You'll manage your entire life. You can check security cameras, turn off alarms, and see who is at the door without touching your phone. But running real AI takes serious power. You can't do it with an old A15 chip. The minimum requirement for Apple Intelligence is the A17 Pro chip, found in the iPhone 15 Pro. Some rumors say Apple might even use the A18 Pro or A19 Pro. Using the A17 Pro makes the most sense because it keeps costs down while offering 8 GB of RAM. This makes the box incredibly fast and affordable for regular people. This power isn't just for Siri, it's for hardcore gaming. Apple is about to turn this box into a real gaming console. For years, the Apple TV only played simple mobile games. Not anymore. With these new chips, it will handle AAA titles like Resident Evil and Death Stranding. The graphics will support ray tracing, making reflections and lighting look stunning on your big screen. Multitasking will be a breeze too. Switching between 10 different streaming apps will be instant. No more lagging or stuttering. Because Apple supports Xbox and PlayStation controllers, the transition is seamless. You can start a game on your iPad during your commute and finish it on your TV when you get home. This could change the entire gaming industry. Connectivity is also getting a massive boost. We expect Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7. This means zero buffering. Your 4K movies will load instantly, and multiplayer games won't lag. It will also feature Bluetooth 5.3 and full support for Thread and Matter. This makes the Apple TV the ultimate brain for your smart home. It will connect to every smart bulb and lock effortlessly. Then there is the continuity feature. You will be able to use your iPhone as a high-end webcam for your TV. Imagine FaceTiming your family on a 75-inch screen or using interactive fitness apps with total precision. It makes the living room feel like a futuristic hub. Design-wise, the box will likely stay sleek and dark, but a new white color option might be coming. A white Apple TV would look amazing next to modern consoles or white sound bars. But the biggest design win is the remote. The current remote is beautiful, but easy to lose. Apple is adding a tracking chip with Find My support. If it vanishes into the couch, you just open your iPhone. A glowing arrow will point you to the exact inch where it's hiding. You can even make it play a sound. No more tearing the cushions apart. There is even talk of a dedicated FaceTime camera accessory that mounts to the top of your TV for a more permanent setup. The most shocking twist, the pricing strategy. Rumors suggest Apple will release two different models. One could be a budget-friendly stick priced between $79 and $99. It would plug directly into the back of your TV. This would let Apple compete with cheap streaming sticks and bring millions of new people into the ecosystem. Then, there will be the Premium Pro model. This is the console killer. It could cost between $179 and $249. It will have massive storage and the most powerful processor ever put in a TV box. It will be the best streaming and gaming device money can buy. When can you get it? Many believe a spring announcement is likely, right before the big developer conference. Apple wants the hardware ready so developers can build new AI apps. Others think it might launch in the fall alongside the new iPhones. In my opinion, this is a brilliant move. Most smart TV software is terrible. It's slow and full of ads. By creating an AI-driven hub, Apple is fixing a major problem. If Apple can get big developers to bring sports games and shooters to this box, I'd ditch my bulky console in a heartbeat. It's cleaner, simpler, and more powerful. This device is going to dominate the living room. It's a tiny package that delivers a massive punch. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.